In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. Whether you've completed all tasks, the project has become obsolete, or you just want to tidy up your workspace, knowing how to delete projects in Asana can be quite helpful. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll also share some tips to make sure you don't lose any important data unintentionally. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Begin by navigating to the specific project you want to delete. You can do this by locating it in the left-hand sidebar, which organizes all your active projects. If your sidebar is overflowing with many projects, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the project you're looking for. Finding the exact project is crucial because you don't want to accidentally delete something important. Once you've opened the correct project, direct your attention to the top right corner of the project interface. There, you'll find a three-dot menu, often referred to as the Project Actions menu. Clicking on this menu will reveal several options tailored to managing that specific project. This handy menu is where you can perform various actions like exporting project data, changing project settings, or, as we are doing today, deleting the project. With the Project Actions menu open, you'll see the option labeled Delete Project. Click on this option. At this point, Asana will ask you to confirm your choice. This is an important step as deleting a project is irreversible. If there are tasks within the project you believe might be useful later, you might want to consider backing them up or exporting them before you proceed. Asana has a variety of export options, allowing you to save your project data in CSV or other formats, preserving the information for future reference. Once you're sure about your decision, confirm the deletion in the dialog box that appears. After confirmation, the project will be permanently removed from your Asana workspace and you won't be able to retrieve it. This is why it's critical to double check that you've selected the correct project for deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a project in Asana. Keep in mind that regularly cleaning up your projects can help maintain a more organized and efficient workspace. By following these steps, you can manage your projects effectively and ensure that your Asana account reflects only the active work you're currently engaged in. Hopefully this guide has made the process clearer for you. If you have any other questions about Asana or want further tutorials, feel free to reach out or check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.